Day 12 from 0 to WordPress 0 end of year challenge. And today we'll be talking about the footer section of a website. Yesterday we talked about the header section of a website and how we can customize the header section of the website to wherever we want to put there for our own website. So today we'll be talking about the footer section of a website and how we can customize the footer section of our website. So basically what footer means is that the last section of your website. So it always consists of the logo, the contact details, the social media icon, and also you can have a button there, and which should be linked obviously to probably maybe a form. For example, now get a free consultation. That means this button will be linked to a form page. All right, and it also consists of the copyright of the website, and also you can always change everything to wherever you want. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. So the first thing you need to do once you log into your WordPress dashboard is to come visit websites. So once you're on the website, click on customize. Another thing is you can always customize the website from the dashboard. So at the end of this video, I'll be showing how you can do that from the dashboard without having to come to visit the website. But it's much easier when you come to visit the website than doing it from the dashboard. So let's give it a moment to load up. Still loading up. Let's give it a minute, please. So once everything is up, you have two options. You either come here and click on the footer, and it automatically take you to the footer section of the website, or you can actually scroll down and then click on the footer section. So another thing I didn't say earlier was that you can actually use WordPress to create the footer section of your website. So this section now was used, well, Elementor was used to create this footer. So if you want to like make any changes to this footer, we have to do it from the Elementor plugin. All right, so the only thing we can make changes to here is the copyright and also the theme that is there. We can just delete it if you don't want that on our site, and also we can delete the current here if you don't want that on our site. So here we go. So once you are done, you click on publish. So basically, if you want to build your own site, you can easily build it from here. You can add anything you want to add to the footer section. If it's a logo, you want to add the logo of your business, you can add social media icons, you can add a button, you can add address, and also you can add the menu of the website. So this is its footer menu. You can easily add that into the footer section of the website. So let's go to Elementor. This is a great opportunity for us to learn how to use Elementor to edit or customize our footer, and we can also use it to build our footer. So let's click on edit with Elementor. Okay, I have Elementor here. Let me see if it's up. Okay, I have Elementor here, so we don't have to wait. So all we have to do is come to this home page. It should be there. Okay, it's not here. I'm coming. Let me see if I can easily click on it. Edit elements. So as you can see, so we can easily edit everything we want to edit here. So this is the first thing, which is the logo. We can change the logo to our own logo, and that is it. We have our logo there. So we can change the size to medium. Okay, let's change it so we can always resize it till it perfectly fits what we are building. So as you can see, I think this logo is still very blur. We can change it to thumbnail. This is not going to work, so I think we have to use the medium 300 times 300. So another thing we can do is we can change the contact details. We can edit them, and if you don't want contact details, all we have to do is right click here and delete the column, and we are good to go. All right, so if you want the contact section, we can easily click on it and then put in all our details. So for example, now I'll put in my details here, which is consult with Mike gmail.com, and also we can put in our number there. So we can always put in whatever we want. An address, if you don't have a physical address for your business, you can just delete the address option. I don't have a physical address for my business, so I'll just delete it. So the next thing is the social media icons. I have a link where I'm not linking it to the website. And also we can link our Facebook. What we have to do is click on it and then come to this link, then go to the profile page of your Facebook, then copy the URL and then paste it there, and you are good to go. So once you are done with everything, and then this is consultation, all you have to do is just come here and link it up with this icon. So once you put in the link to the form page of the website, you put it there and you are good to go. So once you are done, all you have to do is just click on publish, and you are good to go. So this will be the end of the video. So editing a footer and the header section is as easy as that. So they are very important because they are the only section on the website that shows the contact details of your website, and also other avenue of people reaching out to you, like the social media icons and everything. So they are the only section that does that. So they are very important that you take your time to adjust everything and work around it to make it perfectly. So this will be the end of the video. If you have any question or any topic you want me to talk about, please drop it in the comment section. And if you find the video interesting, please don't forget to like and also subscribe. So thank you, and see you on the next one.